I have seen the movement of the sinews of the sky, and the blood coursing in the veins of the moon. The tree that is beside the running water is fresher and gives more fruit. People from a planet without flowers would think we must be mad with joy the whole time to have such things about us. The day, water, sun, moon, night. I do not have to purchase these things with money. Read nature. Nature is a friend to truth. Nature is wont to hide herself. I want to do with you what spring does with cherry trees. The mountains are calling and I must go. Even kings and emperors with heaps of wealth and vast dominion cannot compare with an ant filled with the love of God. Camping is nature's way of promoting the motel business.